Well, the opportunities obviously exist because, you know, it's a worn cliche by now that India is becoming the pharma hub of the world and the pharmacy of the world. But having said that, we believe a lot of innovation will also move to India. And I'm already seeing the signs because when you look at the service levels we're seeing in the West whenever I visited, for some reason they're falling short now. Of course, they would again recompense with AI and all that stuff. But then I don't necessarily see our massive population as a sort of burden. Obviously, there's a stretch on resources, but it's also 1.5 billion brains.